Welcome to GPCA TV. I'm John Baker, editor at ISIS, and I'm talking to Chad Holliday, chairman of Bank of America and formerly CEO of DuPont. Chad, you're here talking about sustainability. How does this apply to the petrochemical industry and the Middle East producers in particular?
Sustainability is a way of life now. What I find is many people have different definitions of the word sustainability. To me, it means it lasts a very long time. And so for this industry to last a long time, particularly in the Gulf, we have to think about stretching the use of our resources, how we are more efficient, more thinking about the total impact of what we do. I think the industry is doing a very good job of that, but the requirements in the future will be greater. And so we're going to have to use all of our creativity. We have plenty of materials to go around if we will just think about them the right way. And with the energy sources that are available today and the new forms of energy we're finding, we see a lot of opportunities, bright future ahead.
And how does sustainability feed into the long-term competitiveness of the industry?
Sustainability is taken on a very different term when we move from 2.5 billion the day I was born to 7 billion people today. We're on our way to 9 billion people. I believe we can have a very sustainable world like that, but our industry is going to have to think about approaching problems differently. One of the things we've got to approach differently is how people understand our industry and what we do. We've got to be able to explain to people the value we bring, because people don't necessarily see us as that valuable. And it's our job to be able to explain that in all the products we put out.
Mm-hmm. Is there anything the industry can be doing particularly in the Middle East?
I think in this area of the world, what we have got to do is help our customers, help the citizens in places where we do business, understand the long-term nature of what we're doing. So as we can start blending, as we use traditional feedstocks today, and then we use a portion of non-traditional feedstocks, as we look at different sources of energy. We're here in the UAE. UAE is doing some of the leading work on renewable energy sources. Masdar, the example in Abu Dhabi, is an example of looking at the future. So I think our industry needs to make sure we're taking care of the needs of people now, but also be looking at those next technologies that will be important as we go forward.
So innovation is a key aspect of sustainability along with energy efficiency. Can you explain a little more about that?
Innovation is sustainability. I think it's much more thinking about how we accomplish the same job in a different way than we've done before. What we're also seeing is the tools that are available now, the communications tools are so different. You know, the idea of the 7 billion people in the world being almost all essentially connected by cell phone today, which is where we are, offers so many different opportunities to advance. And so that's the approach we should take.
Well, thanks for a very interesting discussion.